Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about triangle congruency. We have 5 triangle congruency conditions. The first one we're going to talk about is side angle side. And so let's say that I have a situation that looks like this, and we're given this information. So notice the fact that the tick marks will mean congruency here. And by vertical angles, we then know that the angles are congruent here in the middle. And so I can easily write down a side, angle, side. And going in the same direction, right? I would have side, angle, side. So that would be an example of side, angle, side congruency. Side, side, side congruency. Let's say, for instance, that I have something that looks like this. And, well, my third and final side here that I have not labeled would be congruent by the reflexive property. And so then, since it's a shared side, it's exactly the same side as the reflexive property, and I can write side, 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 side. For angle, side, angle, let's say I have this situation here where I have parallel lines, and I know that this side length is congruent to that side length. Well, to get my angles then, I know that by alternate interior angles, that this angle over here and this angle over here would be congruent. I specifically picked these two instead of the other ones that are alternate interior because I need to make sure that I have an angle side angle relationship. So then I have my vertical angle here in the middle, and so I can go angle side angle. I don't want to go around the triangle and keep skipping things. I want to go, I can only ever skip one concept at a time, so I can only skip one side or one angle type of deal. So again, I kept it flush like that. For angle, angle, side, again, a very similar situation, but let's say this time then, I have a very similar diagram, right? But I have these two sides congruent. And so I'm going to say that this angle is congruent to this angle by alternate interior angles, this angle is congruent to this angle by alternate interior angles, and then, like I said, I can go angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. And the last one we're going to do here is a hypotenuse leg. So if I have a triangle, I have the right angles given to me, and I have the hypotenuses given to me. I can do a 2-column proof. This is another type of proof style, statement and reason. I'm going to say, I need some points here, A, B, C, D. I'm going to say that the measure of angle ADB equals the measure of angle CDB, which equals 90 degrees. This is given to us. I'm going to say that AB is congruent to BC. This is given to us. And finally, I'm going to say that BD is congruent to BD by the reflexive property. And therefore, you see the fact that I have a hypotenuse because I have that right angle. And I talked about my leg, which is BD, being congruent. So then triangle ADB is congruent to triangle CDB by hypotenuse leg. So again, these are the 5 triangle congruency conditions. Thanks, everybody.